Okay, so this is obviously staged, but I just wanted to kind of show you that I'm kind of like really pushing it down into the rug so we can see exactly how well it does and an extreme circumstance. So let's get this going. We'll turn that on. Leave it on auto. So what a great job. Like I said, that is a lot of hair. And you can see how it's collecting in there. So a great difference. Okay. And let's see how the brush roll did. And then on here as it runs, you can see how it does kind of like a boost. And based on the dirt that it senses. So that is the canister. Pretty well full. And then let's take a look at the brush roll. Absolutely amazing. Let's pop it off for further examination. And then you can kind of see a little bit of fur residue on the combs, but that is basically almost hair-free. So that's something you don't see in a regular vacuum for sure. And that was great, but let's go dump this out and see how that does over the trash can. And again, just take the bottom off, and then over the trash can, just push the button. And then with fur, sometimes you got to give it a little bit of a helping hand. But this is where this comes in handy. This comes off completely, and then you can pull this whole compartment apart. And then pull all that hair out.